first and foremost, I would say that there is no reason at all to sell a boring product on Amazon. Zero reason at all to sell boring products on Amazon. Given that there are over 5 million unique products that you can sell on Amazon, there's no reason at all to sell something that's boring. Why on earth would you do that? Makes no sense to me. You'd be much better off finding something that you are excited by and selling that. And the reason for that is, as Amazon progresses, and indeed as the whole online e-commerce, online marketing business that we're in progresses, more and more and more, it is important to differentiate yourself and create and build your own brand. More and more important. Now, I'm going to give you a very, very easy way to differentiate a product. Now, it doesn't need to be boring because you've got to differentiate all products, all right? Everything needs to be differentiated. But let's say it is boring. I'm going to give you a very easy way to differentiate a very boring product, and then I'm going to give you some advice about what to do going forward to build a solid, stable, successful business that you can sell products all day long on, okay? So, let's start with some boring products. And let me have a quick look at my border. So this is, for all intents and purposes, a boring product. It is a little spike that you put into a beer that keeps your beer cold, all right? Pretty boring as a product. Now, how have they differentiated this product? Because this was a bestseller and they have differentiated it. How have they done that? What have they done, folks? You tell me. What is the product differentiation that you can see on this particular listing? What have they done? Athena, very, very smart, Athena, well done. So they put it into a gift box. So they have targeted gift buyers. So that's the first level of differentiation. They've targeted people specifically by putting it into a pre-done gift box. Sandra and Zuzana, also have spotted that they have bundled it with a beer bottle opener. So that's the second way that they have differentiated this product. So the first thing they've done is they have targeted gift buyers, which is a very, very smart strategy. So they're not targeting the ultimate user, they're targeting the buyer who then gives it to the ultimate user. And the second thing they've done is they've bundled it with something else. So there are, very nicely done, guys. You guys have nailed all those. There are two very, very simple ways that you can easily, just deleting, that you can easily differentiate your product. Bundle it or target a different person to buy it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, and post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.